and this is because I had a rewards for a certain amount of money that you spend. And look, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. So this one is priced for $95. I got it for free. I'm gonna sell it. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Philine, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to do unboxing. Yes, so it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, and today I am wearing my fashion jewelry, and I don't know what it is. It's like made of plastic and stuff like that. Okay, without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so this is from my favorite brand. Okay, why this is my favorite brand? Because, hang on, we're going to also review this one. So this will be an unboxing and review. Look at that. It's from Hammit. So Hammit, as all you know, it is a very, very durable, and I love the fact that they have very good, look at the packaging. Look, so it's Hammit. Yay. The packaging is really, really beautiful. And see, this is one thing that I like about this, even though this brand don't go much on sale. Look at that. So it comes like this. It says nice to meet you. Yes. And then a card, Hammit card. And wow, and a Hammit, this is my receipt. So let me check. Okay, never mind, I'll check it later. So let's go to my bag. Yeah, so the thing I like about a Hammit is, first, the quality of their product and the packaging. So I've been buying Hammit for a while now, so let's do it. Okay, so ta-da! So this is called, let me see. This is called Davis as small. This is a small black. This is a crossbody bag, and this is really, really soft. So this is, as you can see, they have the rivets here. It's dark metal, black metal, something, gunmetal, I'm not sure. So this is very, very soft, as you can see, very durable. And the thing I love about Hammit, I do have a Hammit bag that I use every day, but since the color is not black, so I plan on buying this. And this one comes with this strap, and this strap is really, really thick and very light. So the good thing about this is just you can you know, there's, and then this one, you can do it by crook or not so shoulder bag. But since they have this, shoulder bag, I am going to demonstrate it to you. Yep, put it back here. I am always amazed by the fact that, oh, so this one you can do shoulder bag, and just like that, and then you can adjust it with a crossbody bag. Okay, then you can do it like this. Oh, you can make it longer. See, it's really much adjustable, and this one is removable. So this is really nice. And the back is where you can put your cell phone, and the lining is really beautiful. It's red, and it has pockets also here. So it can fit a lot inside. Let me show you, because this is very soft leather, you can put a lot inside. Though it is more small looking one, it's so cute. They are really versatile, and their hardware are really pretty. See, don't mind about my skin because my skin is pretty dry right now. So a little fact about Hammett, they have lifetime warranty. Yeah, so if you have your bag, you buy it from them, and then something happened to it, they can repair it for free. And that's what they said, that's their promises. You can send it. This is the closure is magnetic, so like this one. So really beautiful. And one thing that I like about it is that voila, I have a free wallet, and this is because I had a rewards for a certain amount of money that you spend. And look, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. So this one is priced for $95. I got it for free. I'm gonna sell it. Look at that. It is very cute, and I want you to see the details because it has daisy in it. Look, it is snake skin embossed, but it have a white little daisy flowers. And this is for card holder. Oh my god, this is so cute. Card holder. I'm mumbling. Card holder. This is so pretty, and of course it comes with the box. Yes, comes with a box, and this. So I have this reward, and I'm just so happy because the more I buy, the more rewards I can get. But for me as a resellers, because this one is only not so much discount, but for me it's too much because it's like that's why I buy this for myself for 40% off. These are retiring, they call it retiring style, and it's cute. And plus this, oh my god. So yeah, for a certain amount of money that you spent, yeah, so they put the free one here. Actually, I have another big box to unbox later on. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And I have the link down below, my Mercari. I have a lot of bags there for sale, and a really good price. A lot of them, some of them are 50% or more from the retail price. So go ahead. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.